think so many people don't even know that I'm Muslim, married to a Hindu. Totally.
Stress free रहो, सब कुछ हो जाएगा.
But sometimes my blood boils because I feel like how dare they.
Body आपने किस तरीके से रखा वो ज़्यादा important है.
I have always been a very strong-headed person, but I was getting weak.
Welcome to the Debina Banerjee Show. Hi, I'm Debina. You are watching my first ever podcast, The Debina Banerjee Show. आज हमारी जो guest है, she's a mother and also a very dear friend of mine, Kishwar Merchant. She's an actor, influencer, a traveler and a lovely fellow mommy. आज हमने जिस टॉपिक पे बात की वो है inter-religion marriage, marrying a man 8 years younger and embracing motherhood at 40. If you are somebody who's a part of intercultural family, a mother or maybe not a mother, this podcast is for you. Always remember, you are not alone. I'm super excited to welcome her where she shares her story with you. Welcome to my show, Kishwar.
Thank you. It's such a pleasure being here.
And it's such an honor that you've agreed to come and talk your story.
Kya agree, yaar. It's like absolutely a delight. I've been literally looking forward to, but वो हो ही नहीं पा रहा था and eventually हो गया and I think it's amazing that it worked out.
Absolutely. So let's begin. I mean, you are somebody who has personally inspired me. I've told my audience the guest on the first, few episodes would be people who have touched me in any way. And your story of pregnancy has inspired me. That's when I know my whole focus shifted to you. So I would start from there itself. You announced your pregnancy at the age of 40.
Yeah.
And you did it so proudly that it just inspired and gave me a sense of hope. And I'm sure if it did to me, तो कितने और लोगों को इसने hope दिया होगा. So just tell me about it. कि how did it happen?
Well, to be really honest, it just happened. We both were just so not aware of something. It wasn't a planned pregnancy, firstly. So it just happened and I just started feeling very weak and बहुत weakness होने लगा and अजीब सा लगने लगा and मतलब it was happening for the past 2 months and I was not even realizing कि I could be pregnant, I'm eating so much and all that and I'm like telling all my friends कि मेरा appetite कितना बढ़ गया है यार मेरा appetite like eventually ऐसा हुआ है कि मेरा appetite बढ़ गया है and still not realizing that I'm pregnant and I'm eating only because of that but finally, one day I just told Suyash, I said, you know what, just when you come back, when you're on your way back, just get the pregnancy test. And he's like, what are you talking about? I'm like, just get it, yaar, because I don't understand what is happening. I need to figure it out. And he got it and I did the test in the bathroom and I'm just sitting in the bathroom, okay, because वो positive आ चुका है and I'm sitting in the bathroom and he's sitting outside in the room and he's waiting for me to come out, obviously, and मैं बाहर ही नहीं जा पा रही हूँ because I'm in complete shock. And then he comes and he opens the door and he's like, what? And I'm like, and he's like, and we both were like, कि कैसे हुआ? ये कब हुआ, So we had to like literally ask my gynac when we went back, मतलब the first visit to the doctor. So that is when she told me, कि okay, November में आपने conceive किया है. And this was like in Jan that we got to know. So I got to know literally 2 months after I was already pregnant.
Oh my God.
So it was a crazy pregnancy. And of course, the first reaction also was very scary in terms of that I was mentally not prepared, right? So वो होता है ना कि it just hits you कि like, dude, now what? And especially COVID चल रहा है and so much is happening, सबका काम ठप हो चुका है. So, you get so scared. And I did get scared. I'm being very honest. But at the same time, we kind of slept over it. And then in the morning, we both were like, okay, dude, we're pregnant. And, that is when it really hit us in the morning.
You were married.
Yeah.
And then, of course, how many years after did you conceive?
6 years.
So were you not trying? Were you like which kind of parenting were you?
So we were always pet parents and we were very happy with that. And I'm telling you, एक हफ्ता पहले मेरी माँ ने मुझे ये बोला है कि now guys you must because I think Anita was already pregnant and
around the same time. Yes.
So because Anita and I have always worked together so much and we're at the same age, so my mom said कि अभी मतलब you should also now think of a baby. And we were like, Mama, please, we are very happy being pet parents. And एक हफ्ते बाद I'm standing in front of her telling her I'm pregnant. So it was really hilarious because she was like, अरे
इतना जल्दी?
Like इतना जल्दी मेरी बात सुन ली तूने, you know. So yeah, it was pretty hilarious.
You were married and not a parent till 6 years.
Yeah.
So what kind of thought was in your mind? Like you wanted to concentrate on career and push the pregnancy, or you wanted for the right time to come? Because it was,
frankly, I wasn't really waiting for anything. I wasn't concentrating on my career, and that's why not getting pregnant. I was not really maybe we were waiting for Suyash to get a nice big break, के वो एक breakthrough जो होता है was really required. So I think for that we were waiting, के we can delay this process a little bit.
But you never thought about yourself कि I am crossing 35?
No, not really, not
ये
really.
लोगों के दिमाग में होता है हमेशा, because अभी भी लोग सबसे ज़्यादा परेशान होते हैं कि I've crossed 30, तो शादी नहीं हो रही है, शादी नहीं हो रही है. 35 मतलब तो और अभी तक बेबी हुआ नहीं.
My mother was taking more stress than me, telling me to freeze my eggs and do all of that. So we kind of found out also about freezing eggs and stuff, and I said, Mama, yaar, I mean, it's okay, अगर है तो है, नहीं होगा तो ठीक है, like.
So you were always chill कि नहीं होगा तो भी ठीक है. So this chilling is very important.
Yeah. I think just to be because see, even after the baby, if you get if you get anxious and all that all the time, your gynaec tells you, right, कि अगर आप ऐसे behave करोगे, then असर आपके बेबी पे दिखेगा. So I guess this was it, I just had to behave very chill, and it just automatically happened. Like God said, I'm going to bless you with one, and you've never asked me for, but I will give you this. So I guess that's how it happened.
So you kind of easily broke the stereotype of aging is not a factor, it's chilling is, I mean, keeping the sanity of the mind. मतलब आप
totally
stress free रहो, सब कुछ हो जाएगा.
Exactly. And that is exactly what Suyash also told me the next morning. He's like, it's a miracle that at 40 we've not even thought of it, we've not even planned, and it's just happened. It's like, we've literally, it's like a God gift के हमें मिला है जो. So I totally agree with that.
So that's wonderful. आपके पोस्ट से मुझे अभी हाल ही में पता चला कि there were some complications during the pregnancy or after the pregnancy, something like that. I want to know your story because every story is unique.
So complication not in terms of pregnancy at all, but complications in terms of COVID really happened to me. Because my mother was admitted to the hospital for 25 days, and she literally has gone and come back. So she has literally alone fought in the hospital because her daughter was pregnant and she wanted to see the baby, So, yeah.
So that's the positive side also, actually.
Yeah, totally. And once she came back home, my dad got COVID, and then Suyash got COVID, and everybody in the house was getting COVID. Everybody was, just stuck in rooms, one after the other. And for those 3 months, my pregnancy after, Jan, जब हमें पता चला, उसके बाद के जो 3 months थे, were horrible for me. Because to be pregnant, to be going through so much, like I have always been a very strong-headed person. But I was getting weak. And I was not understanding कि मेरे साथ ये क्यों हो रहा है? कि why am I getting weak? How is this the new me? I couldn't come to terms with that. So quite a lot happened, but not like no pregnancy complication, touch wood, nothing. So, but just this, and I think we kind of dealt with it. So once everything was fine and everybody came back home from the hospital and COVID se sab theek ho gaye, I told Suyash, I want to just get out of this city. I just want to go to Lonavala or wherever you can take me closest, just take me somewhere. And I just wanted to be there. So we went away for like a week, 10 days. We were just in Lonavala with both my dogs, Suyash, me, and one more couple friend of ours. And we just stayed there for 10 days in that khuli hawa, because obviously in the house I was getting... And plus Suyash was working with Sonu Sood at that time. He was helping in cases. तो वो हर बार आके मुझे जब सुनने मिलता था प्रेग्नेंट लेडी का ये हो गया, बच्चा हो गया, फिर बच्चे को बचा सके माँ, सो ऑल दैट वाज टू मच फॉर मी. आई मीन देयर वाज सो मच हैपनिंग, so all that was too much. So I told Suyash one day, I said, you know what, you please sit in your studio and talk about all these things, because I can't take this anymore. Even now, even after 3 years of my having a child, I still can't watch shows which have so much खून खराबा and gruesome जो होते हैं, I still can't watch those shows because I think it's still just there. Everything is still there,
मतलब भगवान एक तरीके से लोगों का टेस्ट नहीं करते हैं कि मैंने इस तरीके से कॉम्प्लिकेशंस दिया. कभी कभी सिचुएशंस उटपटांग बना देते हैं एंड यू हैव टू होल्ड योर कूल.
So we had touch wood. Everything was great.
Absolutely. And your parents and your in-laws, they all stay
in the same building. We are all in the same building on different floors.
So you are raising your child with the village.
Yes, totally. And I'm so happy about it because, he is getting raised by Dada Dadi, Nanu Nani. He calls my Masi Choti Nani, who also happens to stay in the same building. So, I mean, he has so many people, and that's why I think he started talking at a very earlier stage because
इतने सारे लोग हैं बात करने के लिए.
तो वो बोलते हैं ना, बच्चे से आप जितना ज़्यादा बात करो they tend to pick up faster. That's exactly what happened with Nirvair. He is such a talkative child. He talks a lot, yeah. So
coming back to one more something which is people are afraid of, तो उसको आपने overcome किया. You are a Muslim who's married to a Hindu family. So अभी से 8 साल पहले अगर मैं बात करूँ, there are not many examples to lead by. तो आपके साथ जब ये situation हो रहा था, तो मतलब how did you take that leap of faith?
Well, I in this case didn't really have so much of a problem because Suyesh's sister is also married to a Muslim man. Okay. So it, I think, runs in the family for the rise, that they had to get married to Muslim girl and a boy. So it was only slightly difficult for me because I'm older than him. I'm 8 years older than him. तो वो थोड़ा सा with his mother थोड़ा सा वो था, obviously because if I'm a mother now, I completely understand that अगर मेरा बेटा भी मुझे आके बोलता शायद कि 8 साल बड़ी लड़की, तो I would also be like, dude, what? But I think now it's become very, it's like a everyday thing now,
Now.
Yeah.
पर जब आपने किया था, that wasn't, कि रोज लोग, young लड़के से शादी नहीं करते.
प्रियंका का भी, चोपड़ा का भी मेरे बाद ही हुआ है. So I don't know, मतलब maybe I was one of the first. I think Tanaz was उससे पहले. But but I think Suyash really convinced the parents that this is it. So, they just had to say yes, and of course they're very happy about it. But thoda sa initial wo hitch to tha about this.
तो apart from the immediate family, जो हमारा society है, वो हमारा,
उनके बारे में I don't care. उनके बारे में क्या? Why do you have to care about them? They are not going to run your house for you.
Absolutely.
So then it doesn't bother you.
You did not think about
care at all. I don't care.
So you
now
never...
also I get so many comments. Like अभी मैंने recently एक video डाला था.
आपने एक video डाला था of
yes, and it became national news. I don't know why, because it was just supposed to be a very cute video that a mother has posted about a child. Okay, but it just
can we talk about the video?
Yeah, so it was a video जिसमें निर्वैर ने वो मुस्लिम वाली वो टोपी पहनी है, and he's saying Suyash is telling him how to say salam and whatever. And I just found it so cute, and I, as mothers, I'm sure you can relate, कि you randomly keep shooting your child with the father and with whoever you see, right? So that is exactly what I'd done. And when I was going through my gallery, I was like, oh, this is so cute. Let me just upload this. मैंने upload किया, and it just became like, अरे हिंदू है और ये है और, and I think so many people don't even know that I'm Muslim, married to a Hindu. But for me personally, Debina, I have always been a person who's gone to a mandir, who's gone to a masjid, who's gone to a church, who's gone to a gurdwara. उतने ही सच्चे दिल से always. And I feel that is something that I want to give my child as well. Like I want to see him do the same, वो एक चीज़ है मेरे में जो मुझे लगता है बहुत अच्छी है. So I want that, in Nirvair. And that is exactly how I try to bring him up. But they just made it like this Hindu-Muslim thing. मुझे वो topic भी अच्छा नहीं लगता, frankly, Hindu-Muslim. But I wanted to,
बट आई थिंक जो टॉपिक हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता हम उससे चले जाते हैं, बट यू आर समबडी हु कैन लीड एन एग्जाम्पल. इफ यू कैन टेल योर स्टोरी ऑल्सो कि
Yeah.
मैं ये भी करती हूँ, मैं वो भी करती
करती
हूँ,
हूँ,
मैं
yeah.
मेरे बेटे को ये भी सिखा रही हूँ, वो भी सिखा रही हूँ.
And people who follow me, they know because I celebrate Ganpati also. I go to people's houses for Ganpati. I celebrate Diwali उतना ही अच्छे से.
Because you said कि during your marriage for your own thing you never bothered about the society,
Yeah.
but for your son आपने मतलब ट्रोल्स को काफी जवाब
भी दिया. Yeah, and Suyesh was also getting very angry because वो लोग बहुत गंदा लिखते हैं यार. It really, you know, it hurts because you know that you're not that person जो वो लोग आपको portray, you know, कर रहे हैं in the comment.
What is that person? मतलब
के like you know, मतलब comments like के I don't remember किसी एक उस पे मेरे उस पे आया था कि अरे ये मुस्लिम लड़कियों के साथ यही होना चाहिए, हिंदू से शादी करवा के इनको हिंदू बच्चे पैदा करवाने चाहिए. So, you know, I mean, these kind of comments are not needed. Like, I have gotten married to him because it was my choice. I was in love. I am in love. And that is why I got married. So, you are nobody to say something like this to me. And it's like just because we have social media and, you know, people can write and comment under your pictures or videos, they just feel that they can do whatever. और अगर आप एक किसी चीज़ के बारे में कुछ बोल दो as an actor, they will come back to you and troll you like ke nobody asked for your opinion. So dude, who asked for your opinion on my picture or my video? You know, but you still gave it, right? But because I'm an actor, I can't give it. Why? So वो थोड़ा मुझे, इसलिए मुझे सोशल मीडिया थोड़ा वैसा लगता है, बट अदरवाइज या
बट सोशल मीडिया इज द थिंग जहाँ पे
Yeah.
यू आर देयर.
Yeah.
एंड हाउ हैज सोशल मीडिया काइंड ऑफ हेल्प्ड यू बीइंग अ मॉम, एंड इफ यू आर स्टिल स्टेइंग एट होम, यू आर एन इन्फ्लुएंसर, you are influencing people, doing brands, but this is a new thing. There are so many new moms who are just staying at home and being a mom influencer. This is the new thing of after being a mom. और मुझे लगता है ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें हैं जो moms को एक दिशा दिया है. So being in the larger scale, how do you think, how you handling? So you know, जो लोग नए हैं, जो लोग नए आ रहे हैं, आना चाहते हैं, because they are always thinking, you know, हम लोग ऐसे, this is a profession. हम लोग घर पे रह सकते, बच्चों के साथ भी रह सकते, and then
साथ में you
काम भी
work
कर
and-
सकते हैं.
So basically क्या हुआ था कि after Big Boss, when I came out, I got a lot of messages from, you know, these regular brands जो I think Instagram पे अपनी उन लोगों ने पेज शुरू किया है या प्रोफाइल बनाया है, and upcoming budding profiles and whatever and brands. तो उनके messages आते थे, दी can you help us, and you know we'll send you this and that, and can you just, you know, help us with a story. So I was just doing it very randomly, only because I thought कि अगर उनको थोड़ा सा इसमें से business मिल जाता है तो it's okay, you know. I mean, it's just like helping somebody out. Just after 6 months is when I realized कि dude, like people are getting paid for this. And I was not even like bothered about it. So that is when it just completely, because then it became more professional. It became like, okay, you know, I have a videographer who comes and shoots it then, and it's obviously the campaigns and stuff. But I think it's very convenient for us, or for me at least, because I feel I'm getting time to spend with Nirvair. I'm at home and I'm working and I'm still, you know, getting paid कि I can live comfortably. So I think for me it's totally working. जब तक ये है, जब तक चल रहा है, चलाओ इसे, you know, is what I
पर
feel.
उससे आपके पास मतलब काफ़ी अनवांटेड एडवाइस भी आ रहे हैं, तो एंड यू आर आंसरिंग बैक ऑल्सो.
हाँ, बट वो बहुत रेयरली होता है यार. ऑन यू नो, आंसरिंग बैक हैपन्स वेरी रेयरली. अदरवाइज इट्स ऑलवेज ऑन, यू नो, वेरी पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स दैट यू रिप्लाई सेइंग थैंक यू, और यू नो, सो स्वीट और नाइस, और यू पिन इट और वट एवर. बट दिस जिसमें ट्रोल होता है वो बहुत कम होता है, जिसमें मैं एक्चुअली आई रिप्लाई बैक, बिकॉज समटाइम्स आई फील व्हाट इज द पॉइंट. But sometimes my blood boils because I feel like how dare they. And that one especially was because it was Nirvair involved in it, I guess. You know, it really irritated the like hell out of me. Like, how dare you, you know, say something like that about my child. And for all the trollers जिन्होंने मुझे troll किया है for that video, let me tell you that वो रात को जब सोता है तो वो ओम नमः शिवाय चलता रहता है. You know, the chant goes on पूरी रात. एंड सुयश और वो लगा के सोते हैं. एंड आजकल वो मेरे साथ भी नहीं सोना चाहता है बिकॉज ही नोज कि सुयश वो लगाएगा यूट्यूब पे वो चांट. एंड बिकॉज वो लगा के सोता है तो ही इज लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू स्लीप विद बाबा. लाइक बाबा मुझे सुलाएंगे. बिकॉज जैसे ही वो ऑन एंड लिटरली सुयश कम्स बैक आउटसाइड इन लाइक 5 minutes. I'm like, वो सो गया. He's like, हाँ. And I'm like, क्या? Like when I go in, I'm there for like 40 minutes and 50 minutes trying to put him to sleep. But this is what is happening. So guys, yeah.
तो मैं आपका राय जानना चाहती हूँ. आई मीन वी काइंड ऑफ पुट आवर बेबीज ऑन सोशल मीडिया. सो व्हाट इज देयर इन योर माइंड? आई मीन हाउ विल यू हैंडल इट?
Well, I don't think ऐसा कुछ मतलब मैंने सोचा है या कुछ के how I'm going to handle it or how he's going to be, because what I can see in my 3-year-old boy is that he's pretty grounded. He's very normal. At least up tak to he's just very this ke acha videos hai, mama's having fun.
He sees his video?
Yeah, he's addicted to his videos only. So he watches, yeah. But he just feels ke it's, and aajkal because he shoots with me, for brands. So if I'm shooting even without him for a certain brand, so he'll say, Mama, mujhe bhi shoot karna hai, and I'm like, no, you're not there in this video. So I'm no, mujhe bhi. So he feels it's like so much fun. Ki ye kya ho raha? Like obviously he's not understanding what it is, but yeah, like I've never thought about ke how.
By the way, ये मेरा you are not alone वाला moment था.
Yeah,
because the same thing is happening with me also. And एक time था जब वो लोग नहीं समझते थे.
Yeah.
And being a mom entrepreneur, doing something from home, बच्चे कहीं ना कहीं involved हो ही जाते थे.
Exactly.
एक time पे लगता है कि टेंशन मत लो.
Yeah.
उसके बाद जब वो लोग धीरे धीरे समझने लग जाते हैं, जब अपना खुद का वीडियो देख के obsessed होने लग जाते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है am I doing it right?
I know. I also kind of question it a lot, but then I'm like, you know what, let's not bother ourselves with all these things, because let's just go with the flow. Let's just see what is happening and how it's happening. It's just happening very organically.
तो और एक चीज़, I mean, अब तो अभी वो काफ़ी बोलता भी है और समझने भी लग गया है. तो सोशल मीडिया का एक्सपोजर भी काफ़ी है. सो डू यू थिंक, आई मीन, दिस विल मेक देम फील कि, आई मीन, दिस इज अ टॉपिक अबाउट पेरेंटिंग.
Yeah.
सो दे विल बिकम छोटे छोटे सेलिब्रिटीज देमसेल्व्स, और दे आर मोर इनटू अंडरस्टैंडिंग द हार्ड वर्क पार्ट ऑफ इट.
No, I don't think, at least निर्वैर से ये वाली feeling तो नहीं आती है that he's becoming a celebrity and he feels के he's a very introvert person. So जो भी videos मैं अगर shoot करके दिखा भी रही हूँ दुनिया को, I know कि मैंने कितनी मेहनत की है उन पे, because when people actually come and meet him at home, they're like, अरे इसके videos तो मतलब he talks so much but he's not even like saying hi to us. But that is how he is. He will only be comfortable with those 10 people जिनको वो probably 0 days से अब तक देख रहा है. So he's only comfortable with those.
So that's a real part of motherhood.
Yeah. Anybody new comes in his territory, he's like all guards up and he just shuts down. Like he doesn't want to speak, he doesn't want to smile. अब तो वो फिर भी थोड़ा comfortable हो गया. पहले like for example कि वाही हमारी बिल्डिंग में रहता था, वो literally रोज आता था हमारे घर. बट वो वाही को ऐसे देखता था जैसे वो वाही को जानता ही नहीं है. वो जानते हैं, भाई बोलते थे यार ये क्या है, like how can he behave like this, but he does. So I don't think he's going to be that कि I'm a star and whatever, just
क्योंकि I'm sure जब बाहर जाता है लोग पहचानते होंगे.
हाँ, but I think also I don't want to boast, but even I am not a person like that, and I don't think even Suyash is a person like that कि I'm a star or whatever, or that I'm a celebrity. So I don't think he'll get that, at least. At least I'm hoping.
आपने इतने सारे स्टीरियोटाइप्स ब्रेक किए. आई मीन, इस एक वीडियो मुझे याद आ रहा है अभी आपसे बात करते करते. उस टाइम पे आप बालकनी में काफ़ी वर्कआउट करती थी जब आप प्रेग्नेंट थी. तो मुझे भी कहीं ना कहीं वो काफ़ी इंट्रीग करता था कि मतलब how are you doing it? मतलब isn't it like आपको इस टाइम पे बैठे रहना चाहिए, मतलब pregnancy is a precious thing, उसको आप ऐसे संभाल के रखो.
हाँ, वो मुझे मिलता था काफ़ी from my mother also and from my mother-in-law also, कि यू नो डोंट एंड दिस दैट, बट आई फेल्ट कि मैंने बहुत कम किया बिकॉज कोविड चल रहा था. अगर कोविड नहीं चल रहा होता, अगर मैं नॉर्मल लाइफ में नॉर्मल सर्कमस्टांसिस में प्रेग्नेंट होती, आई वुड बी लिटरली गोइंग टू द जिम, आई वुड डू पिलाटेस, आई वुड डू एवरीथिंग देन. बट आई डिडंट डू मच आफ्टर आई थिंक a month or so, because all that also started happening, COVID, ye wo, everything in the house. So I just completely lost my routine jo chal raha tha, and I just kept eating. I had literally put on like 18-20 kgs. I'm still trying to lose that weight.
आप जिस सिचुएशन से गुजर चुके हो, यू आर अ बेटर पर्सन टू आंसर कि क्या सही मायने में क्या करना चाहिए.
नहीं खाना चाहिए इतना. Frankly, nahi, because I was just sitting at home because eating out of boredom. And I think what I googled was कि 18 kgs was like the max I think you could put on, and I had put on that much only.
So is it? Only 18 kg is a max?
Yeah, like जितना आप put on कर सकते हो.
नहीं, मैं तो मुझे लगता है
ज़्यादा किया था.
20 kgs.
Whoa, you've just broken everything now.
Yes. और yeah. I maybe because it was too back to back for me. So इसलिए मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही weight put on कर लिया था.
But I mean, look at you, yeah. Look at you, seriously. Like I really want to say this, कि even after 2 babies,
Wow.
You
are an inspiration even there. आप अपने बेबी के बाद भी आपने जो वर्कआउट स्टार्ट किया,
आप मत बोलो because you also work out उतना ही. I saw your videos
आपके पास एक बेंचमार्क होना चाहिए. Correct. So you have set the benchmark knowingly or unknowingly. You know, you never know कि आप अपना जो छोटे छोटे वीडियोस डालते हो on your Instagram stories, which are a snippet of your life, but that is somewhere somebody is watching you and they are getting inspired. Maybe आपके लिए just another day हो, लेकिन वो किसी और के लिए है कि she's doing it. I can do it too. So वो मेरे लिए बहुत important था.
Oh my God, like this is the biggest compliment ever, because I myself, I'm trying to lose the weight.
But why do you think it is important to lose the weight?
No, not really. I'm very comfortable with what I am right now. It's just कि you know, वो एक ठान लिया है कि मतलब वो एक बार करके दिखाना है, मतलब एक बार करना है अपने लिए, not for anybody else, but अपने लिए कि you know, to reach just the goal जो प्रेगनेंसी से पहले वाला था.
मैं ये बात किसी से एक्चुअली सुनना चाह रही थी. यू नो, सब लोग बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी की बात करते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई फील कि हाँ, आई एम कंफर्टेबल इन माई ओन बॉडी, क्योंकि खुद के बॉडी से आप प्यार नहीं करोगे ना, तो आप जिंदगी में और किसी चीज़ में कॉन्सेंट्रेट ही नहीं कर पाओगे, क्योंकि दिस इज द बी ऑल एंड ऑल. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा परेशान हूँ कि मैं कैसे दिख रही हूँ. बट एट द सेम टाइम, इफ आई कैन, व्हाई नॉट?
Yeah, totally. I completely agree with that. And now it's, you know, I have literally motivated Suyash to go to the gym.
Really? It is always the other way around.
Yeah, but Suyash literally pregnant हो गया था मेरे साथ. And खाते पीते मतलब एकदम लगते थे दो हट्टे कट्टे parents, you know. Till I was like, okay bro, अब मुझे शायद gym जाना पड़ेगा. And I started going, and after some 3-4 months is when he also started कि okay, you know, I should too. Because when we realized कि now he's running around, एंड हम भाग भी नहीं पा रहे हैं उसके साथ, यू नो, टू दैट लेवल के मैं नीचे ज़मीन पे बैठती थी, मैं उठ भी नहीं पाती थी. सो इट हिट मी, आई सेड डूड, ये नहीं चलेगा. यू नो, आई वॉन्ट टू बी एन एक्टिव मदर फॉर माई चाइल्ड, सो आई हैव टू, यू नो, I need to be fit.
That's again a very important thing.
Yeah.
You need to be fit to
enjoy his
his childhood.
Totally. I
so you know, all these things कि मेरा age क्या है, और
age is just a number. आजकल तो क्या है age? Nothing. Age is nothing.
बॉडी आपने किस तरीके से रखा वो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Totally.
आप उसको फिट रखिए, आप अच्छा खाएं, आप बच्चे के साथ यू नो सिर्फ मेंटली दोस्त नहीं, आप फिजिकली भी दोस्त जैसे रहो. कि यू नो, आफ्टर अ पॉइंट, मतलब जब बेबीज होते हैं वो ठीक है, उसके बाद जब भागने चलने लग जाते हैं,
that is when you need to be for him, you know, be there for him. So I think that is most important, and that's why losing weight is not that important, but being fit for me is really important. Like even my trainer keeps telling me कि आप, you know, kgs की चिंता मत करो. You know, you like literally अब ऐसा हो गया कि I squat deeper than I used to when I was 24 years old. So I'm more fitter. I can feel it in my body that I am, you know, I can do a 80 kgs deadlift. which I would never be able to when I was skinny. So, you know, I'm more fitter
एक
now.
माँ जब इतना
ठान
तकलीफ
लेना।
करके एक बच्चा पैदा कर
Yeah,
सकता है, विच इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट
Difficult,
थिंग,
yeah.
तो अगर वो चाहे
Yeah.
तो वो सब कुछ कर सकता है. आई मीन
Because, I mean, you know, whatever people around you say that, oh, I know what you're going, nobody knows what you're going through when you're pregnant. Because there is so much going on in your body at that time. Okay, literally, I would never, like how I've cried on your show today, I am not that person. But I have become that person after my pregnancy. I am that, you know, और मुझे कभी कभी अपने आप पे गुस्सा आता है कि how could you do this, you know? Because I've never been that person. I've always had a very strong exterior. भले ही मैं अंदर से बहुत हमेशा से रही हूँ, but I've always portrayed a very, you know, ऐसा वाला tough exterior कि I'm not that. But now I can't even hold that back anymore, you know? So it just has changed me completely as a person, my pregnancy.
this is another very beautiful thing which I keep hearing from my mommy
Yeah,
friends,
yeah.
that you meet a new you.
Yeah, totally. I have literally met a new me. Literally.
So the baby is not the new person that you are meeting new.
Yeah.
You are meeting a new yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
So getting to know that person,
Person also-
and how is that Kishwar 2.0?
Oh, sometimes really tough, but sometimes really like irritates me only. So yeah, sometimes very like that. But I love the changes because I was also a very, you know, I don't know how to say it, like not a very loud person, but you know, वो जो पूरा टाइम फ्रेंड्स ये वो तो नाउ इट्स ऑल बिकम एवरीथिंग इज बिकम अबाउट फैमिली एंड यू नो स्टेइंग एट होम एंड इवन इफ आई वांट आई हैव बिन अ पर्सन जो नायगांव से निकलती थी और बैंड्रा तक जाती थी इवन आफ्टर माई पैकअप कि ड्राइव पे तो जाना है
अच्छा.
you know. And now I don't even want to get out of my house because I'm like, no, where is at home? I'm not coming. You know, so that is me now. And my friends also tell me that, you know, we've started liking you even more after you've become a mother because you've just completely changed as a person and we love you like this. So I don't know what they are thinking or whatever, but yeah, I mean,
I think
It's
a
the
woman
changes.
becomes more approachable, a human
Yeah,
side of it.
yeah,
I mean, the
I
whole
guess.
personality changes. And I mean, people, I don't know. I also felt that. I
and
mean,
it's that mother instinct, I think, that is there all the time and you can't hide it, right? So people can also see it and then they know, okay, you know, she's like, she never used to be like that, but now she is like this and this is what she is and she's beautiful, you know?
Absolutely.
So,
आपने जिंदगी में इतने सारे स्टीरियोटाइप्स ब्रेक किए. There has to be something in your childhood कि बचपन कैसा था. मुझे वो एक बार जानना है.
now that you've actually asked me this, पता है मुझे ये realize हो रहा है कि मेरा बचपन भी joint family में ही गुजरा है, like with my chachas and my cousins and you know their मतलब chachas wives and तो now that I think about it, Never is also living a life like that. Obviously not with chacha chachus and all, but with dada dadi nani nanu and all. So yeah, I mean it's always been के देखा है अलग अलग लोगों से कुछ कुछ सीखा है. So you know that's how I've also been brought up. So
मतलब आप कहाँ से थी? Always from Mumbai?
Bombay.
And how
I used
did-
to stay in Mahim earlier with everybody and then we shifted to Yari Road and उसके बाद से ये पूरी जर्नी जो शुरू हुई है गोरेगांव and this that, so वहाँ से.
तो आप हमेशा से एक्टर ही बनना चाहती थी?
Not really, मैं एयर होस्टेस बनना चाहती थी because I thought एयर होस्टेस बन के मैं पूरे दुनिया ट्रैवल कर सकती हूँ. But at that time to become an air hostess you had to study a lot. और मैं कभी भी पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं थी, कभी भी नहीं. आई यूज टू हेट स्टडीज़. सो दैट्स वाई आई वाज लाइक नहीं, ये करियर तो नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज इतनी पढ़ाई तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी. तो देन आई टुक पार्ट इन यू नो दिस सेंट एंड्रूज पे हो रहा था एक शो कॉल्ड खूबसूरत 97 which was choreographed by Rohit Verma and so that is when I took part and I won the first runner up.
Oh, so it was a beauty pageant.
Yeah, and उसके
Okay.
बाद it just you know started. Okay, I started doing press ads and you know छोटा मोटा काम and then Hepe Pure happened and that's how it all began.
सो एक सेलिब्रिटी के लाइफ में जितना हमें सोशल मीडिया में देखने को मिल रहा है, देयर इज अ लॉट मोर टू इट दैट इज बिहाइंड. से अ फ्यू थिंग्स अबाउट इट कि आई मीन जो सोशल मीडिया में नहीं दिखता है अबाउट
About my life?
योर पेरेंटिंग.
Oh, about my parenting. No, I think जो नहीं दिखता है, I think वो भी दिखा ही है कि मैं उसको स्क्रीन टाइम देती हूँ. I always thought I would be a mother जो स्क्रीन टाइम नहीं देगी अपने बच्चे को. बट मैं स्क्रीन टाइम देती हूँ यार. एंड आफ्टर ऑल वो ऐसी फैमिली में पैदा हुआ है जहाँ पे दोनों एक्टर्स हैं, you know.
Absolutely. I'm a mom. And I also do this.
Yeah.
And it's okay to
and
do
I've
this
seen
sometimes.
it like everywhere, you know, mothers doing it.
It's just that people are not too vocal about
yeah,
it.
Yeah,
क्योंकि
but then I
हम लोग
also know
guilty feel
mothers
करते
जो
हैं.
नहीं करते हैं, जिनके बच्चों को ये भी नहीं पता कि टीवी क्या होता है. So hats off to those mothers also.
मेरे ऑडियंस को पूछा था कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पेरेंटिंग डू यू बिलीव इन, यू नो, द स्ट्रिक्ट पेरेंटिंग, द एक्सट्रीमली लीनियंट पेरेंटिंग कि जा भाई तू कुछ भी कर खा, चॉकलेट खा, टीवी देख, और एक है कि टीवी नहीं है घर में, चॉकलेट और ये सारी चीज़ें क्या है पता ही नहीं है. एंड द अदर वन इज द बीइंग मॉडरेट, कीपिंग मॉडरेशन इन योर पेरेंटिंग. सो आई फील द मिडिल पाथ इज द बेस्ट. नहीं तो वंस दे आर एक्सपोज्ड टू,
खाता है.
But let's see the other side of it, because हम लोग बच्चों को तो बांध के तो नहीं रखेंगे. They will eventually step out. They will eventually अपने दोस्तों से उन लोग को पता चलेगा. Suddenly उन लोग को पता चलेगा, वाओ ये क्या है, मुझे तो नहीं पता. And then जिस चीज से हम लोग को ज्यादा रोका जाता है, हम उस पे पागल हो जाते हैं. हाँ, when it is open, no, तो वो मतलब desperation नहीं होता है. So I feel that moderation should be the key in
Totally.
modern parenting.
Yeah.
I follow that too. and thankfully I am not alone.
Yes.
So we had an amazing conversation, Kishwar. You actually made people feel that they are not alone in whichever sphere of life they talk about. So whether it is marrying a guy younger or getting married to another religion, or you know, accepting the fact that मैं माँ हूँ और मैं ऐसी भी हूँ. And this is amazing. I think my viewers, they enjoyed it. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
It
was lovely being here. Lovely. And you are such an inspiration yourself. Totally. Like, you know, I mean, I keep seeing your videos, your vlogs and everything, and you're just amazing. So I had to be here, and it's only because of everything that I've seen of you and know of you is why I'm here, because hats off to you.
Thank you so much. But जाने से पहले we will do a debunk with Debina. What's the most creative excuse you've heard from your child for not eating their food?
Creative excuse.
think सोचते ही मुझे मेरे बच्चे के बारे में याद आ गया.
अच्छा, ऐसा कोई क्रिएटिव एक्सक्यूज तो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
तो इसका मतलब वो खाना खा लेता है?
नहीं खाता खाना. और यही बोलता है नहीं चाहिए, ऐसे बात करता है.
नो एक्सक्यूज.
इट्स लाइक चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए, दैट्स इट. नहीं खाऊंगा.
खाना खाता है कि नहीं खाता, बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम फॉर ऑल टॉडलर मॉम्स.
या बट अगर उसको कोई चीज देख के भी, एंड दैट यूज्ड टू बी मी, सो नाउ आई कांट इवन कंप्लेन अबाउट हिम, बट अगर मुझे कुछ ऐसे देख के भी ऐसा लगेगा कि नहीं मैं नहीं खा पाऊंगी ये, तो आई वुड जस्ट से नो, एंड ही डज एग्जैक्टली द सेम. ही लुक एट इट एंड बी लाइक नहीं, नॉट दिस.
इट्स द मेरी बेटी आजकल बोलती है मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. ओह माय गॉड. हाँ, मुझे डॉक्टर को पूछना पड़ा, पेट में दर्द हो रहा है क्या डॉक्टर?
That is so cute.
I know, only 2 years, but मैंने गलती से एक पेट दिखा रही थी, मैंने पूछ लिया पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. पेट में दर्द.
हाँ, ये इसने किया है, बट नॉट फॉर फूड. के खाते वक्त नहीं, बट ही इज डन इट अदरवाइज. के
खाते वक्त ही उसके पेट में दर्द शुरू हो जाता है. और ये जब कंसिस्टेंटली हुआ तो मुझे लगा इट्स हर क्रिएटिव एक्सक्यूज.
भाई आजकल के बच्चे यार, oh my god, हमारी क्या हालत होने वाली है.
This is the Gen Alpha.
Yeah, totally.
Oh my god. What's the most absurd piece of parenting advice you've ever received?
कि जब तक you know बच्चे बड़े नहीं होते, you shouldn't travel without them. You should, you know, be at home and not go out, which I do. कि I travel without him at times because I also need that space, right? अगर 2-3 महीने हो गए हैं कि मैं घर पे ही हूँ, I've been with him, then I feel कि okay, now I need like a 3-day break, but I don't want to take him. जो पूरा गिल्ट रहता है कि नो आई शुड नॉट, बट देन वो एक है कि हम तो कभी ट्रैवल नहीं करते थे विदाउट आवर किड्स और इवन विदाउट आवर हस्बैंड, सो आई डोंट नो हाउ यू डू इट.
So when you travel eventually, तब what do you feel? हॉलीडे पे जाके
जाते जाते तो काफी दुख होता है, बट जाने के बाद
I have to do this. बाप रे, my husband is continuously telling कि चलो चलो कहीं चलते, सिर्फ the both of us. I still cannot pull myself out. I'm like,
but once you do it now,
I have to break that ice like that.
Yeah, it's done. Because see, जितना आप, it's not anybody else who makes you feel guilty. I think it's yourself. जो आपका वो जो गिल्ट चलता है ना, वो आपके अंदर ही अंदर चलता है. ये मैंने रियलाइज किया है. जब आप उसको नहीं, उसके बारे में सोचोगे ना, nothing will happen. Like when you're working and you're leaving your house, you feel guilty, right? But if you don't, because you feel कि no, काम तो करना है, then you will not feel guilty about it, because you'll be like, it's okay, 2 hours na, without them, it's fine. They'll also learn to live on their own. They'll also get independent. That's how I've grown up too. My mother used to work, my dad used to work. So
you do not love less your also. Mom or dad.
हाँ, and I don't have siblings. So when I used to come back home from school, मेरे घर पे कोई नहीं होता था. मैं ही आके सब अपना करती थी. And so that is why I think also I've been that person from the age of 16, 17 कि मैं बाहर जाके काम करने लगी हूँ, and I've become like so independent. कि now अगर मैं किसी को कुछ बोलती भी हूँ, ये कर दो वो कर, and if they're taking time, I get like, dude, I'll do it. You know?
And you're independent and yet staying close to your parents.
Yeah.
इतनी भी नहीं कि मतलब, you know, you've flown out and away of the whole thing.
So this guilt has to go, okay? Next time if I come out ever on your show, guilt doesn't have to be there.
So I'm there on the phone. You remind me. If you switch roles with your child for a day, what's the first thing you would do?
I think I would just become Hulk because he's always Hulk roaming around in the house. So if I switch roles, I'm Hulk for that day. And I'm just picking up things, throwing things, and doing like whatever, you know.
You should eat for him.
No. That is something जो मैं भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी because मैं भी नहीं खा पाती हूँ इतना, तो frankly आजकल तो नहीं. But yeah.
You've gotten back.
Yeah.
That's very important.
Yeah, very important.
And what's that one big change you've experienced in yourself after becoming a mom?
Well, I think वो changes तो हम बता चुके हैं, but
become emotional.
Yeah, very. As a person, very. Like वो भी अगर कभी कुछ बोल देता है ना, if I ask him for a hug or a kiss, and he'll say no, and if he just goes away, I get damn like sad. You know कि क्यों उसने ऐसा किया यार? Like why did he not hug me? Like why did he like to that level, like oh crazy, you know? So that is something जो बहुत नया है मेरे में, और वो पहले नहीं था. So
How lovely. और सुयश आपके साथ वेट पुट ऑन किया था, पर सुयश
डायपर कर चुका है.
डायपर चेंज करता है कि नहीं?
अभी भी करता. अब तो वो खैर इतना डायपर पहनता भी नहीं है, बट yeah, I mean he's been a hands on father. I'm sure like just like Gurmeet has been. I think it's the fathers आजकल, you know, जो also are there to keep you motivated and you know help you throughout with whatever. So like I said, Suyesh उसको सुलाता है आजकल. For the past 15 days this thing has been going on, so I am free of, you know,
the Nini time.
Yeah, so and we balance it out. Like if he's putting him to sleep, I wake up in the morning with him. If you know if he knows कि okay, I've come back from, you know, some show or travel करके, and if I'm, you know, tired, so he will wake up in the morning and I'll be sleeping. But पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. पहले तो only the wife used to wake up for everything. So now it's, you know, touch wood, we are lucky that we have husbands who can balance this thing out with us. And I think it's amazing, yeah, that they do it so well.
Absolutely. If you could give your labor experience a hashtag, what would it be?
Labor as in?
Baby पैदा करने वाला.
नहीं, मेरा C-section हुआ था. I chose C-section. I didn't want.
अच्छा, you chose C-section?
Yeah, I chose C-section because in fact my mother-in-law told me कि C-section करा लो, ये सब मत, don't get into all this, it's too much headache and बहुत pain होता है and all that, just do a C-section, आराम से chill and come back. So I was like, whoa, I have the best mother-in-law ever.
But you know, normal delivery के बाद body resets faster.
But they also say that, you know, if you start working out immediately, like in 3-4 months after your C-section also, वो हो जाता है जल्दी. But if you delay, like I delayed it for 1.5, you know, years. So obviously, it's stuck now. The fat, it's stuck. So it just.
But
takes
you have
more time.
cleared one thing, that whatever is stuck is here.
Yeah.
So if you clear this here,
Is-
the rest of whatever is stuck anywhere, वो
yeah,
सब
it's
निकल
done,
जाएगा,
it's
सारे
done.
blockages निकल जाएंगे. So we are waiting to see the बच्चा
Blockages भी
होने
निकाल
से.
दूंगी, fat भी निकाल दूंगी, सब निकाल दूंगी.
Wow, this is something I really wanted to hear. क्योंकि कभी-कभी don't shame my body बोल के हम लोग comfortable हो जाते हैं.
yeah.
तो उस comfort को अगर हम कर सकते हैं, then why
Why
not?
not? Totally.
So thank you so much, Kishwar, for coming to my show. I have a small token of appreciation for you. This is a gift hamper of all Oziva products, which I have specially curated by myself. I've handpicked everything myself.
Wow.
Because Oziva is a brand I believed in, and Oziva believed in me, and they have come in as gifting partner.
And I love the brand too because I've used the products and they're amazing.
I'm glad because I'm sure you must have already used the Oziva Protein and Herbs, which is here.
Yes.
But they have the new launch, which is the new Oziva Plus hair thinning formula, and they are really, really good. And this is what I could think of, because Oziva being a brand who has been a part of women wellness and internally, externally,
Yes,
all over.
totally.
So I'm glad that you liked it, and it's an open hamper, unlike the Coffee with Karan secret hamper. So it's all out there.
Yes, it is. It is. Thank you so much for this. I have a new shaker sipper for my protein, which is amazing. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You are amazing.